Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to cook my really easy and so delicious crispy oven-baked potato wedges. And you can make these ahead in a large batch and freeze them in a plastic bag, and then just take out as many as you need and reheat them in a toaster oven. So let's get started. Wash and dry your potatoes. Cut them in half. Cut it in half again. And then cut them in half again. And place them in a plastic bag. Pour in a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Coat the potatoes. Add a couple tablespoons of cornstarch. Garlic powder. Salt. And then shake to coat. And then add some breadcrumbs. Arrange the potatoes on a cookie sheet. And I put a parchment paper on. Like that. And there you have some very easy, crispy, oven-baked potato wedges.